skill bite here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up a lot of this oxidation, this discoloration on your center caps. I'm going to be using a headlight lens restorer, or at least I'm going to be using the clarifying compound. It's just a polish. You can just use a polish as well, and those will work unless they're really bad, and then you might need the little sandpaper pieces, but the polish is probably going to do it just fine. I've already done this one. It's not going to clean up the color. That's a little deeper, but it did remove this, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so this is one of the worst ones. I've already cleaned it with soapy water. You can replace these. You can buy replacements. I don't know if you can see, but they're just held in with some like silicone adhesive, and you can just push that out and put new ones in if you want. But I just want mine to look better, not new, because mine's a survivor and a driver, not a show truck. So this is using the Mirror Glaze Swirl Remover 2.0. It's a 3 on their cut chart, and all I'm going to do is polish it. Probably got more than I actually need. You can see already that it's taking that discoloration of the plastic off. And this shouldn't hurt the chrome either. Turn it a little bit. You can see that the plastic under here is discolored, so it's not going to change that back to the chrome, to the more silver looking. However, get our clean rag here. So that looks much better. Comparing what it did look like, hopefully the camera is going to show it. Cameras don't always show this well. There's an ugly glaze on here, whereas that one, it's pretty shiny. I think it needs a little more, but you can see how well that's going to work. If yours is really bad, you can use the wet sand paper blocks, whatever, from your lens restore kit. Clean those up. But let me keep working on these, and I'll show you how it ends up. So after using the 3 cut Swirl Remover 2, switched over to Machine Glaze, which is a 1 cut, and used it on this one. Now on the plastic here, I don't really see much difference between the 3 and the 1, but I did clean, get the light, I cleaned the chrome here with the 1. Woohoo! Yeah, that's shiny. Look at the old stuff. That's not cleaned yet. It's clean, but it's not polished. So that's what polishing will do for you. Boy, that'll make it look good. Now I avoided this, so I don't want to take that paint off. But yeah, now I'm going to have to polish my wheels, because this is going to make them look really bad. here's the finished product. Looking pretty shiny. Now, it did start raining hard, and there's some humidity on them, so they're not quite shining as they were. This one, you can see, has had less sun damage, and so it looks more chrome. These other three are discolored more. It looks more yellow. I'm just happy that these turned out as good as they did. So how's that for 44-year-old wheels and center caps? So the center caps look great. They actually make the wheel look terrible now. I did polish just a little bit by hand down here, but that's way too much to do by hand. I'll do that with some mechanical help later. But I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.